How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can find who has viewed our Facebook profile. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, first of all, head over to your profile directly and make sure you have a professional mode on, because that allows us about the view insight. So in order to do that, you may just head over to your account and tap on this three dot beside this edit profile, and you're going to unlock your profile first, because if you haven't unlocked your profile, you're not able to enable the option of turning on the professional mode on your account. After you have unlocked your profile, just tap on the three dot again. You can find this option called turn on professional mode. Just go ahead and turn on the professional mode and turn your account into a professional account. First of all, just go on with the process, and after your professional dashboard appears on your screen, after your account has been turned into a professional account, you can directly tap on this professional dashboard, and you may just go ahead to the inside section where you can find who has viewed, like how many views have been, like what are the views on your profile. So you may just go ahead and look out for those, and you can find the followers, like data of the followers as well here. Other than that, we don't have the direct option available, but what we can do is follow other process. Like you may just go ahead and upload a story on your profile that allows you to know who has viewed your story, along with that there may be chances that people have viewed your Facebook as well. So that's how you basically do it. And the next method is just head over to one of the posts, and you may look up for the likes and subscribes. You may just look for the likes, like if this person has liked my picture here, that means that person may have also viewed my profile. So those are the methods on how you can find it. Otherwise, we have third-party applications available, but those are not really reliable, so we can't really rely on it for now. But other than that, Facebook hasn't provided us any features available, but those are the methods you may apply in order to see who has viewed your Facebook profile by following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.